Hi, this is P R Sundar. I think last time I recommended only one stock, I think that too about 3 months before. That was Reliance Industries. And after that, for one or the other reason, I have not recommended any stock. And I thought now I recommend at least one or two stock a month. The Reliance recommendation which I have given, it has been doing very well. In fact, I have made nearly 22 lakh rupees profit in the last 3 months. And if you have not seen that video, you can watch the video here. And today, which stock I am going to recommend? So keep guessing. I will tell you some stories and some jokes, and later I will come to that stock. A news reporter has gone to interview a person who was living for more than 100 years. And he went and asked him, "Sir, what is the secret of living this 100 years? Then this guy said, the secret is very simple. I eat only vegetarian food, and I eat only very simple food, and I do not smoke, and I do not drink. And that is the secret of my living for more than 100 years. Then the reporter asked him, "Why did you live for 100 years? Well, that is a joke. Nowadays, people want to do everything. They don't mind living less number of years. In fact, I tell you a real life story. When I was a teacher, not in India, in another country, a 13-year-old girl was brought to me because she was fond smoking. So I am supposed to decide what punishment should be given to her. But normally, before we are deciding the punishment, we try to reason out with the peoples. I started talking to her and see, if the people smoke, and there's a high possibility of getting cancer. Then she said, "Sir, we are not like you, sir. You people want to live 100 year, 120 year, but we are a new generation, sir. Whatever is there in the life we want to enjoy, even if we die at the age of 30, 40, it doesn't matter, sir." Then I did not know how to react. Then I told her, if you smoke, your mouth will be very smelly. And then if your boyfriend wants to kiss you, he won't feel comfortable. Then she said, "Sir, I smoke 10 cigarettes a day. My boyfriend smokes 20 cigarettes a day, sir. So no problem, sir." So she was keep on answering all my questions like this. And finally, she asked me, "Sir, you ask so many questions. Can I ask one question to you?" I said, "Go ahead." It was a government school, so I was a civil servant. She said, "Sir, instead of giving so much of advice to me, why don't you go and advise your government to stop selling cigarettes? Because the government is getting a lot of taxes, sir. That's why they are selling a lot of cigarettes." This is a real life story, but let us not go into that. Here, by this time, you should know which stock I am going to recommend. It is none other than ITC. And for your information, ITC stands for India Tobacco Corporation. It's one of the leading cigarette manufacturer. But nowadays, they are not focusing more on cigarettes. They are focusing more on other businesses like FMCG and hotels. I'm sure you should know there are top class hotels. ITC hotels are there in every city. And most of them are very top class 5-star, 7-star hotels. Why do I like ITC? Number one, the taxation is already very high on cigarettes in India. And in fact, the smuggled cigarette is doing a very huge business in India because of taxation. So therefore, any further increase in tax on cigarettes may not be there in future. So that is one positive thing for ITC. Second thing, as far as I know, there are some government stocks PSU stocks, ONGC, that kind of stocks, which is offering better dividend yield in the Nifty 50 pack. But ITC is not a PSU stock. So among the private sector companies, as far as I know, ITC is the only stock that is trading with a dividend yield of more than 5%. Last time, just few days before when I checked with HDFC Bank, the FD rate was only 4% or 4.25%. So your FD is fetching only 4.5% return, but here the dividend yield alone is more than 5%. ITC is one company which is making consistent profit and consistently dividend paying company. In fact, recently company announced that in future they will give dividend, a liberal dividend. So that is the best attraction in ITC. Why? Because in future, if price goes down by 50%, then the dividend yield alone will become more than 10%. There will be a good demand. And basically, I am a trader. I like to invest in Nifty 50 stocks only because after buying the shares, I will be pledging with the broker and to trade. Whenever you pledge the Nifty 50 stocks, the haircut will be less compared to non-Nifty 50 stocks. And that is another advantage. Next advantage is that it is a very, very liquid stock where options are being traded very actively. You can do the hedging through options. In fact, in my personal account, I have taken long positions today. In fact, for the last 2 to 3 months, I have been selling cash secured put. And if you do not know what is cash secured put, you can watch the video here. I have been selling cash secured put and I have made quite a decent amount of money in the last few months. And let me show you a few things here. So for analysis, I use a website called Ticker Tape and click here. The link for Ticker Tape can be found in the description. And if you click on the screener and type the stock which you want, ITC, and you can see current price is less than the intrinsic value. That means it offers a good value. It's below the book, like intrinsic value, I don't know really how they calculate. And stock has been generating better return than the bank FD. And this offers a very good dividend. And it's a good time to consider as it is not in overbought and no red flags, no additional surveillance margin or that kind of things. And see, it is trading at around 16 PE ratio, whereas the sector PE is around 45. Except ITC, all other FMCG stocks are trading at huge valuation. But ITC is trading at a very, very, very low valuation. So imagine at one day, if this catches up with the sector PE, your money will triple. And in addition to that, you get a liberal dividend. And dividend yield is around 5.1%. And if you look at the financials, though I'm not very good in dissecting the financials, or whatever the simple thing I look, the revenue keeps increasing on year basis, and profit before tax also keep increasing year basis. Income also keep increasing, earnings per share also keep increasing, and payout ratio also keep increasing. So all this shows that, so every year there seems to be good growth. But if you look at the chart, in the last 5 years, it has not gone anywhere. And it was trading between 200 to 250 rupees. And this is a period, once it went up to 331, that is a period where the GST was supposed to be introduced. GST, by default, it's supposed to be one country and one tax. One country, one tax rate only. But because there was no consensus among the states, the central government has chosen to have many slabs. And that time people were told 28% will be the top tax bracket, GST. So then 28% GST is something really a very good news for ITC, and ITC shot up to 330. But then GST Council decided, and for few sectors like luxury cars, carbonated drinks and cigarette companies, so they have chosen to charge additional GST of 15%. That is 28% plus 15%. Now it is 43%. And that day only, when that news came, the market fell 10% on that day. Then after that, it has been trading in the range. And this is a coronavirus period. Of course, it fell so much. Now it has recovered. It is again coming back to 200 to 250 range. So despite all these good things, the valuation is really very, very attractive. And of course, I am only a partial investor. I am not a full investor. I am partial trader. So I have taken long position in futures, and I will keep selling call options to generate additional profit. If I can get 5-6% dividend yield and another 5-6% through selling of call options, another 5-6% in capital appreciation, so I will be achieving 20% return. And 20% return is a decent return. And that is because the downside risk is very less in this stock. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and from now onwards I will come out with at least one stock idea per month. Thank you for watching.